The following is brought to you in part by Eaton.
Hi, I'm Danny Reeves with First to the Future TV right here at the 2019 International Builder Show, and I am standing here with David from Champion Power Equipment. How are you today?
Great. Hi, Danny. Thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely. Now, what's this behind us here?
This is our 14 kW automatic home standby generator with a 200 amp service entrance transfer switch.
Okay, what does this do? Tell us exactly why we need this and what this does.
Well, power outages are becoming more and more frequent, and they're
Okay.
lasting longer and longer, and more builders are offering them as an option for their homes to differentiate themselves from every other house that's out there. Most of these are installed after the home has been built, but smart builders are starting to add this on as an option for their customers. Now, this is going to turn on and off automatically, so you don't have to do anything to make sure that your house is powered when the utility power fails. It is a 200 amp service entrance switch, and that will back up basically everything in your house depending on your electrical loads and what you have for your heating and your air conditioning needs.
Okay.
This is the unit that sits outside the house. It mounts on its own preform pad. Very easy to access with our gull wing doors.
Ooh,
If
that's
I can
fancy
show you
feature.
that. Yes.
It's like
So,
a Mercedes power equipment.
easy to service, easy to access. A Champion Power Equipment engine that we design and manufacture ourselves is producing 14,000 watts to back up your home when you need it.
Why do you think we're seeing more power outages?
Well, the grid hasn't been upgraded in quite a while. Certain areas have a lot of tree overgrowth that can bring down power lines, and we have ice storms. In out east we have nor'easters, and everyone's heard about the hurricanes we've been getting hit with. So
Now
those are things that keep going.
we were joking earlier about how a lot of people don't think that they need this until after the disaster.
Exactly.
But really we should be prepared and have this in our home before anything happens.
I agree completely. We also manufacture a full line of portable generators,
Okay.
and portables are a great manual solution, but when you don't want to have to go looking for gasoline and you want to run off your home's fuel supply, natural gas or liquid propane, a totally automatic system is the best choice.
And you said this could serve you up to 3 days?
Yes, it could serve you continuously as long as you have a continuous fuel supply. We would recommend that you shut it off after 100 hours and change your oil,
Okay.
because it is an air-cooled engine, so you do need to do service and maintenance for that. But these have run continuously during hurricane outages and have kept families up with air conditioning, lighting, refrigeration, and cooking for everything in their home.
That was my next question. What does it usually power?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have that option to choose what it's going to keep on?
Exactly, you do. But with a 200 amp service entrance transfer switch, you can back up the entire panel. So anything in the home that is on your electrical distribution panel can be powered by this generator.
And it sits right outside of your house.
Yes.
Okay.
Right outside the house.
Well, what do you see in the upcoming future for Champion?
Well, Champion is going to launch a 20 kW home standby later this year, and we are looking at expanding the line so we can meet more customer needs. But basically, with an air-cooled powered engine, you can typically satisfy over 90% of the residential single-family homes in the United States
Very
and
good.
Canada.
Oh, okay. Well, very good. Well, thank you, David, so much for all the great information.
Thank you for stopping by. We appreciate
Absolutely,
it.
no problem. And you're watching First to the Future TV right here at the 2019 IBS show.